So, where should I settle along the vast network of Camino de Santiago pilgrim routes? In 2024, I walked over 1,500 kilometers across various caminos, each with its own rhythm and beauty. But among them all, the Camino Francés stood out. It's the one I loved most. Other routes may offer dramatic landscapes or coastal views, but the overall experience of the Francés is unmatched. There's a unique charm to it, a deep spirituality woven into the path itself. Far from the sea, it winds through the heart of the land, where rolling hills and quiet mountains invite reflection over distraction. The spiritual depth is profound, from grand cathedrals in bustling cities to remote chapels tucked away in silence. Each sacred space felt like a personal encounter. The Camino Francés is rich with moments that stir the soul. The landscape shifts constantly, a mosaic of rural charm, historic towns, and natural beauty. And yes, it's the most walked of all the Camino routes, but that's a gift. You're never truly alone. There's always someone to talk to, share a meal with, or walk beside. Accommodation is diverse, with small pilgrim hostels offering warm hospitality, communal meals, and spontaneous ceremonies that create lasting memories and genuine connection. The Camino Francés fosters community like no other. For me, it's not just a route, it's the beating heart of the Camino de Santiago. It's a pilgrimage into the soul, and it's where I felt most at home.